Subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so whenever we upload a video, you'll be notified.
Hello everyone, Shobik here from Any Online, and today in this video I will be discussing about some useful tips and tricks using some apps. Basically I have listed some apps which are very useful for Windows plus Android platform, and the rest for the Android platform only. So without any further delays, let's begin. So here is the app itself, and the name of the app is Remote Fingerprint Unlock. So all the links will be there in the description below. Go down and check the description for the downloading these apps for Windows and Android. This first app, the Remote Fingerprint Unlock, there will be one Windows module. Its size is around 64 KB. You have to install it in your system first, and after installing only you download this app, and you can do you have to pair your system. And for pairing your system, if you go to scan option, and here you can see there is one plus button. Tap on the plus button. So there are three methods for pairing your system: by Bluetooth, by IP address, or by scanning. So I preferred Bluetooth. Why? Because it's easier when compared to these two options. So here I'll show you one formal proof. So I'm going to turn my phone. This app is open. I'm going to turn my phone and I'm going to show you. So here is my fingerprint sensor. I'll tap here and my system will get unlocked. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. Yes, it got unlocked. I'll show you once more. Let me just lock. Okay. So here is the app still open. Nothing, no extra software or app, or my laptop doesn't have any fingerprint scanner. Also, I'll show you. The power button is a normal power button. So here we go again. We are going to turn the device. Yes, here is my fingerprint scanner of my phone. I'll tap here and my system got unlocked. So this is the first app, and this is very useful. And one thing to remember, if you're pairing by Bluetooth, so your laptop's Bluetooth should always be on. You shouldn't switch it off. Otherwise, if you switch it off, then whenever you next lock your laptop, you can't unlock it. Why? Because you have chosen to pair using the Bluetooth method. So yes, this is the first app, and so the second app is very useful, as many people who were thinking, or who are still thinking for buying a wireless mouse. I guess you need not to buy a wireless mouse. Your phone can handle that stuff. Yes guys, there is one app called the PC Connect. Yes, PC Remote. So you have to install this app in your Android phone as well as in your laptop, and all the links will be given in the description below. So check the description, and let's go and I'll show you the app PC Remote. So here it is, the PC Remote. So this is how the interface looks, as it is showing here the connection. See, connection lost, or lost connection. Yes, so I have to pair it up. So we'll tap here on connect, and okay, so you can do the pairing via by three methods. There are three methods: by Wi-Fi hotspot, by USB tethering, and by Bluetooth. So I preferred the Bluetooth method again. Why? Because it's easier, and my desktop name is already listed. I'll tap here, and yeah, I'm good to go. And just focus on the cursor. Basically, task manager is opened in my system, so I'll show you. See, as you can see, that cursor is moving. I'll zoom so you can see it. you might be seeing the cursor is moving and I'm controlling it like this. So I'll go, just turn the camera. Yes. So I'll close this thing. So here is the cursor, as you can see. So I'll take the cursor towards, yeah, so it's closed. The app is very useful, like for me and many people, many lazy people I would say, who doesn't want to invest for a wireless mouse, and for temporarily or for permanently also you can use your phone as a mouse pad or a trackpad for your laptop, a wireless trackpad. I'll show you some more demonstrations. So here is my cursor. I'll increase the brightness so you can see, and my cursor is going, yeah, I tapped here. So as you can see, the cursor, it works flawless, there are no issues. And for the media thing, I'll show you. If you tap on the media section and if I tap here, so as you can see there, the media volume, it was showing, yes. So first you have to tap here and then you can adjust the volume. Okay, here it shows the level like 22, 19, 18, and again I'll tap on this and your volume will get adjusted. So accordingly you can adjust the volume of the system, and if you're playing some music you can use these buttons to jump forward or backwards in a particular track or something. And this is your trackpad, and other than media, if you tap on power you can put your system on sleep or you can lock. I should just show you. Okay, now my system got locked. So we'll use our first app to unlock our system, that's this one, and 1 2 3 the magic happens. So yes, these buttons work. So it's much better than a wireless mouse, to be frank. And below you can see this is touchpad. It can also turn to a gamepad also, but this function doesn't work on Bluetooth. It will work on only using USB T3. Just go back. So this PC option, if you tap here and if you go, you have to locate where is your photo or the video, where is your this thing media file. So for me there is one media file. I'll tap here. If you tap on a particular video, and it will show you some option, like you can open it on PC, you can download it in your phone, and it can show you the properties. Oh my goodness, they are humorous, like n number of features. I'm in love with this app, seriously, and it's very helpful for so many people. I liked it a lot. And now let's jump on to the other app. So the next app is a customization app named Muviz. So basically this app, what it does, if you play some media or some music in your phone, so in the bottom part music equalizer will be going on, and that's it looks actually pretty cool. I'll show you one. Where's my favorite equalizer? Yeah, if you go here and tap on live, go live, as you can see here in the bottom. So that's how it looks like when you play any audio. The visualizer will come in the bottom and it looks really cool. And you must be knowing about Apple Animojis. It can be used only on Apple previously, but now using this Mimoji app you can use that Animoji feature. Yes guys, if you tap here, and I have to lift my phone, and according to my, see, if I winked and it's also winking, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And whatever I'm saying, it's tracking it. The tracking is not that accurate, but I'll demonstrate one sample. So this is got videos also, and yeah, there are so many faces. I like this panda. So if you tap here, and this is some written in some Chinese shit. Okay, now let's go back, and there's one more app. The last app is a camera app. Actually, this is a Nokia camera port APK, Nokia camera APK, and it has been ported for all Android devices. Again, I found it on XDA developers, and there's a special feature about this camera app. I'll show you. So here is the app, and this feature, this is called a dual. See here it is, the Bodhi feature. Both E, yes, I guess it's pronounced like that only. Yes, this Bodhi feature, it's very useful. I like this app a lot, and it's amazing. As you can see, it's like simultaneously using your back camera and front camera are active, and in many situations this is very helpful. And so that's it, guys. I hope this apps will help you a lot in your day-to-day life. And if you found this video informative, do smash the like button, and if you're new to our channel, do also press the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I hope you to see in my next one.